Welcome back to Cooking with the Coles. This week I'm making a chili, beef chili. I'm using stewing beef from SpringDell Farm. I cut it up into smaller bite-sized pieces just so that when you're taking a spoonful you get all a variety of different things. So we're just going to put everything into the crock pot. Sorry about that loud noise. We're going to start with 28 ounces of tomatoes. I have peeled tomatoes here, so what I'm going to do is just chop them up a little bit. They should be peeled and they should be some chopped. It should be 50-50, but this is all I could find. So this is what I'm gonna do, and it's gonna be fine. It'll work. All right, so I just scissor them up a little bit. Excellent, and then dump the can in. Great. And once they're in, if you think they need a little more scissoring, I'm just gonna cut a few more little bits. Maybe it's easier to do it in the pan than to do it in the can. Whatever gets dinner on the table. Next, I'm gonna put in 1 red bell pepper. You can use green, yellow, whatever you have in the house. And I'm gonna put in 1 onion. This is 1 normal, like largish size onion. Just a bit, 1.5 cups, really short. 4 cloves of garlic chopped. And I have 2 cans of red kidney beans. I drained them and I rinsed them. Now we'll add the meat. This is 1 pound of stewing beef. You can cook it in advance if you want. Get all those little brown crispy bits there. I'm lazy today. I just want to start dinner. So in it goes. Now the spices. 1/4 cup chili powder, 1 tablespoon pepper, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 1/4 cup cumin, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon onion powder, and some salt, a pinch. That's enough for me. Mix it all up. It doesn't look like much now, but let me tell you, 5 hours from now, it's gonna be a tasty, tasty dinner. After 5 hours in the crock pot, this is what you get. Fabulous little chili. I'm gonna add a little cilantro, a little cheddar cheese, Mexi cheese, a dollop of sour cream. It's dinner time.